Alright, take a deep breath, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to talk about yourself in English with power, clarity, and confidence. But before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where someone said, "Tell me about yourself," and your mind just went blank? If yes, don't worry. We're going to fix that today completely. Let's begin slowly, smoothly, and naturally. Imagine someone is standing in front of you right now. They smile and say, "Tell me about yourself." What's the first thing you say? Start simple. Start with your name. Say it with me. My name is. Good. Again. My name is. Now, here's your first speaking challenge. Say your name out loud, but this time add a tiny friendly tone. Example, "Hi, my name is Paul." Your turn. Go on, say it. Nice. But we're not stopping here because the next 20 minutes of this video will train your brain to respond automatically, smoothly, without fear. Now let's add the next piece. Where are you from? Repeat after me slowly. I am from. One more time. I am from. But wait, here comes your first micro quiz. Which sentence sounds correct? A. I from Canada. B. I am from Canada. Say it. Think. Feel the answer. Yes. Option B is correct. Never forget, am, it's your small but powerful helper. Now, let's build a mini story about yourself. Listen closely because this is the rhythm native speakers use. Hi, my name is Paul. I am from Canada. I live in a small town. It's quiet, and I really like it. See that flow? Soft pauses, gentle rhythm, and clear details. Now you try it. Say your name. Say your country. Say your city. Just 3 small sentences. Ready, go. Great. But we're not done because now comes a powerful detail. Where do you live? 2 useful sentences. I live in a big city. I live in a small town. Say both with me, don't skip this. I live in a big city. I live in a small town. Good. Now let's open a small loop. In a moment, you will learn how to describe your house or apartment like a native speaker, but first, we add another important piece. Your age. Many learners panic here. Don't panic. It's simple. I am 28 years old. I am 25 years old. Your turn. Say your age. But here's a retention booster, a quick common mistake students make. They say, I have 25 years. No. Always say, I am 25 years old. Alright, now let's close that loop from earlier, your house or apartment. Listen to the natural flow. I live in a house. It has a small garden. Or, I live in an apartment. It's small, but very nice. Repeat both slowly. Feel the natural rhythm. Great. Now let's shift the tone a little. Because the moment you say your job, everything changes. People instantly understand who you are. So, let's add your job. Say it with me. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a doctor. I am an artist. I am a driver. I am a designer. Or if you don't want to say your job, you can say, I am currently studying. I am learning English. I am looking for new opportunities. Now you practice. Say, I am a. Great. But hold on, here comes a mini cliffhanger. What do you think makes your introduction sound more friendly and interesting? Just one simple trick. Talking about your family. Let's learn it. Do you have brothers or sisters? Repeat these powerful sentences. I have 1 brother. I have 1 sister. I have 2 brothers. I have no brothers or sisters. But listen carefully to this one because most learners make mistakes. He is older than me. She is younger than me. Say it once. Say it again. Feel the clarity. Now, let's add parents. My mother is a teacher. My father is a doctor. My father is a driver. My mother is a chef. Your speaking practice. Say one sentence about your mother. Now one about your father. Perfect. Now let's add a fun detail. Pets. Yes, people love this part. It makes your introduction warm and human. Try these. I have a dog. He is very friendly. I have a cat. She is very quiet. Good. Now describe the color. He is brown. She is black and white. Now you try it. Say the name, type, and color of your pet. And if you don't have one, just say, I don't have a pet. Now we move to the most enjoyable part, your favorite things. Repeat these natural sentences. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue. My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite hobby is painting. Now, stop. Because here is a pattern. Interrupt. Say one thing you like, and one thing you don't like. It makes your introduction more real. For example, I like pizza, but I don't like olives. I love cats, but I don't like waking up early. Now you do it. Say, I like this, but I don't like this. Beautiful. You're now building a complete, tell me about yourself, introduction. Piece by piece, layer by layer. We're almost at the end of part 1, but before we close, let's put everything together into one smooth, natural introduction. Repeat the rhythm, feel the flow, and speak clearly. Hi, my name is Paul. I am from Canada. I live in a small town. I am 28 years old. I am a teacher. I have one sister. I have a dog. My favorite food is pizza. I like music, but I don't like long lines. Now your turn. Take a slow breath and speak your full introduction. Perfect. Alright, deep breath. Let's continue because the next part will help you sound natural, confident, and interesting every time someone says, tell me about yourself. Stay with me. This part gets even better. So, a quick question for you: have you ever started talking about yourself and suddenly your mind goes blank? It happens to millions of learners. But after this section, you will never freeze again. Let's warm up with a mini speaking practice. Ready? Repeat after me slowly, confidently. My name is and I'm from. Good. Now say, I live in a small town. Or, I live in a big city. Beautiful rhythm. Keep that energy. But now we go deeper. People don't just want information. They want a story. Even a short one, a simple one, a friendly one. Something that makes them think. Oh, I like this person. Let's try something fun. Imagine, you walk into a new class. Everyone is silent. The teacher says, tell us about yourself. Your heart beats a little faster. But you smile. You start talking. And everyone listens. Why? Because your answer has flow. Let's build that flow step by step. Start with a microhook, a small interesting line that grabs attention. Like this. I'm excited to be here because I love meeting new people. Or, I've been waiting for this class. English is my favorite challenge. These little lines make your introduction sound warm and confident. Try one. Just whisper it to yourself. Great. Now, the next part: smooth transitions. Most learners say things like, my name is, I am from, I live in. Very robotic, very flat. You need soft bridges, they make your English feel natural. For example, my name is Paul, and actually, I'm from Canada. Canada is quiet where I live, but I enjoy it. It feels peaceful. Hear that? Soft, gentle, human. Let's bring in a mini challenge. Fill in the blanks. My name is, and actually, I'm from. It's a place, and I living there. Good. These small sentences build confidence fast. Now, let's add identity: who you are as a person. Not just facts, but feelings. This is what makes people remember you. For example, I'm a teacher, and I honestly love helping people learn. I'm a student, and my passion is creating art that makes people smile. See the difference? It feels alive. It feels real. Now, it's your turn. Say one small identity sentence. I'm someone who loves. Go on, finish it. Nice. Alright, let's introduce family, but in a natural, friendly way. Don't say, I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is 29. Too stiff. Try something like, I have one brother. Tom. He's a little older than me and always gives me good advice. Short story, better connection, more human. Mini speaking practice. I have siblings. They are, and we usually together. Perfect. Keep going. Now pets. Even if you don't have one, people love pet stories because they feel warm. Try this rhythm. I don't have a pet right now, but I love dogs. Or, I have a small dog. He's friendly and always makes me laugh. Soft, emotional, friendly. Repeating time. My pet is and she is very. Now, favorite things. These are retention gold. People stay longer in the conversation because everyone loves talking about favorite food, favorite color, favorite movies. Let's build a high retention example. So, when it comes to food, I'm a huge fan of pasta. It's simple, warm, and always makes me happy. See the emotion? Happiness, warmth, comfort. That's what keeps the listener engaged. Try it. When it comes to, I really love because, beautiful. But wait, we're not done. Here comes a pattern interrupt. Instead of talking about what you like, let's talk about what you don't like, but in a friendly way. For example, I don't like very spicy food. My tongue starts to cry. Funny, light, memorable. Try your own version. I don't really enjoy because. Great job. Now, let's build a full mini introduction using everything you've learned, but in a calm, natural flow. Listen carefully. My name is Paul. I'm from Canada, and I live in a small, quiet town. I'm an English teacher, and honestly, I really love helping people learn. In my free time, I listen to old rock music and play soccer with friends. I have a small dog. He's brown and very friendly. I love pizza, but I don't like olives at all. See how smooth that was? No pressure, no rush, just natural English. Now it's your turn. But before we practice your full intro, let's boost your confidence even more. Quick quiz. Say yes or no in your mind. Can you start with a micro hook? Can you describe your hometown in one sentence? Can you talk about your hobbies in a simple way? Can you add one thing you like and one thing you don't like? Can you speak with soft pauses like this? If your mind said, yes, even once you're improving. Now repeat after me. Slow and confident. I can talk about myself in English, and I'm getting better every day. Good. Let that confidence grow. Because in the next part we will create your final perfect introduction, with emotional pacing, natural pronunciation, and real-life conversation power. Coming next. Your transformation. Alright, welcome to part 3, the moment where everything you've practiced becomes effortless, emotional, and fully natural English. This is where your introduction becomes unforgettable. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. And let's begin. Step 1, the emotional opening. Most learners start robotic, boring, flat. But not you. Start with a soft, emotional opener. Honestly, I'm happy to introduce myself. I'm excited to share a little about who I am. Feel that warmth, that connection. Now whisper your own gentle version. Step 2, name plus identity flow. My name is, and I'm the kind of person who enjoys simple things in life. Or, my name is, and people usually describe me as calm and friendly. Now your turn. My name is, and I'm someone who. Pause, smile, Feel the confidence. Step 3, where you are from. Not robotic. Not flat. Warm. I'm from, and honestly, my hometown means a lot to me. Or, I come from, it's a peaceful place, and it shaped who I am today. Your line. I'm from, and it's a place. Step 4, your age. I'm years old, still learning, still growing, still improving every day. Or, I'm years old, and I'm working on becoming the best version of myself. Say it slowly, proudly, naturally. Step 5, where you live now. Add a small personal touch. I live in now, and I really enjoy the atmosphere here. Or, I live in, it's busy, but it keeps me motivated. Your turn. I live in, and the environment. Step 6, your job/study. People want more than just your job. They want meaning. I'm currently a student, and I love exploring new ideas. I'm working right now, and I enjoy learning from different people. And it really helps me grow. Your version. And I. Step 7, family. Keep it natural, human, light. I have a small family, and we're very close. I have one brother, he's older than me, and honestly, he inspires me a lot. I have a younger sister, she's funny and keeps our home lively. Now your turn. I have siblings, and we. Step 8, pets. Even if you don't have one, answer naturally. I don't have a pet, but I really love animals. I have a small dog, he's friendly and always makes my day better. Your turn. A pet, and she is. Step 9, hobbies. Make the listener smile. In my free time, I love listening to music, it helps me relax. I enjoy watching movies, they open my mind to new stories. I love playing games, it keeps me sharp. Your turn. In my free time, I love, because. Step 10, likes and dislikes. Add emotion, keep it real. I really like, it makes me feel good. But, honestly, I don't enjoy, it's just not my thing. Your version. I really like, but I don't like. Step 11, your future goals. Make the listener impressed. My goal is simple. I want to improve myself every day. I'm working hard to become more confident and skilled. I want to build a better future, step by step. Your turn. My goal is. Step 12, the final full introduction. Now the full, smooth, emotional introduction. Honestly, I'm happy to introduce myself. My name is Paul, and I'm someone who enjoys learning and meeting new people. I'm from Canada, and my hometown has shaped a lot of who I am. I'm 28 years old, still growing every day. I live in a small quiet town, and I really enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. I'm an English teacher, and teaching truly gives me purpose. I have one sister. She's younger than me and always makes me smile. I have a small dog. He's friendly and full of energy. In my free time, I love listening to music and watching movies. It helps me relax. I really like pizza, but I don't like spicy food at all. And my future goal is to keep improving, learning, and becoming a better version of myself. Take a slow breath. Feel the flow. Feel the calm. Feel the confidence. Now say your own full introduction, slowly, naturally, with emotion. Layer by layer, step by step, until it feels smooth and powerful.